We all know the feeling of our smartphone battery getting worse over time. But when it comes to EV batteries, you don't have to have that same worry. One concern many drivers have about switching to an electric car is how the battery may lose some of its capacity over time. According to the latest data from industry researchers at Recurrent Auto, EV drivers have little to worry about. They looked at data from around 15,000 drivers. Their team of scientists discovered that battery replacements are very rare. Only about 1.5% needed a replacement, and most of those were still under warranty. The study also found that concerns about battery degradation over time might be largely unfounded. Outside of 2 recalls in recent years, battery replacement rates remain low. 2 of the oldest mass-produced EVs, the Nissan Leaf and Tesla Model S, had fewer than 5% of vehicles needing a battery replaced. Also, after many years, batteries retained over 90% of their initial capacity, with very few exceptions. One way to understand the expected lifespan of major EV batteries is by seeing how long manufacturers guarantee them. Most automakers have an 8 to 10 year or 100,000 miles warranty period on electric car batteries. Make sure you read the warranty carefully. If your used electric car is out of warranty, you may want to consider purchasing supplemental protection from the manufacturer or from a third party. EVs are still a relatively new technology, so there's still plenty we don't know yet, simply because the cars haven't been on the road long enough. But the initial data seems to suggest that battery lifespans may be much longer than anyone imagined. Thanks for watching! Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on GreenCars and how they can work best for you.